Today I'm going to show you these light fixtures that I bought from Amazon. This particular set comes with two light fixtures. These are solar powered light fixtures, pendant lights. Comes with the solar panel, two connections for each light fixture. Comes with a remote, on, off. You can adjust the brightness. You can go with white lights, yellow lights. You can set it to dusk till dawn, motion detected. Like I said, it comes with a solar panel. Here's the bracket. Here's the hardware for the bracket. The instructions said to go ahead and plug this in temporarily just to see if it works. To see if this red light comes on. I don't know if you can see it. This lets me know it's charging. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's see what happens. And already both of these must have a charge because this one's not even plugged in. This is pendant light, so they can kind of hang in place. They came with this little bracket on the back here to where you can hook it to something, but they didn't give you anything to hook to. I guess you can kind of have it dangling from the cord. I went out and bought some chains, so I'm gonna hook it up to this and let it hang a little bit. Alright, here's a little tip if you have a metal roof that is attached by screws. Go ahead and back out one of the screws on the roof, put your panel in place, and use that screw hole so you're not putting a hole in your roof. Okay, here we are with the outside metal shed, and I don't know if you can see it, but up top is where the solar panel is. Nice, clean, small, minimum look. If you're not looking for it, you probably won't see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in the shed and tell you what I'm trying to accomplish. One more thing, you can see I kind of tucked the wires underneath the roof itself, came in through the soffit area. Here they are coming in from the inside now. Another piece of advice is measure the distance where you want the light fixtures and put the solar panel at a center point so you have enough slack for the wiring before you start bolting things down. All right, here's my installation. I like the way they look. Got the wires on the top part of that beam. I got the chain in place, so it kind of hangs a little bit. And instead of relying on just the cord, that chain will give it additional support. All right, so let's see if they still work. On, awesome. That's gonna be the white light. Let's try yellow. There you go. Now I'm gonna do this at night again, but I just wanted to give you a brief demonstration. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how these lights look at night. Now they're on motion detection, so as soon as I come in here, they should automatically come on. And there we go. As you can see, lights up pretty well. Right now they're on this setting right here with the 1 on it. They will go off in 15 seconds if it doesn't detect motion. This setting, if I press it, it will go off after 15 seconds, but it will stay on 20% light. Just like that, it's on 20%. And from what I understand, it's going to stay on like this until it's daylight. So if we move, it'll go back to full brightness. Now this is the feature that I really like. Whether it's dusk or dawn, I just turn on the light fixtures and hit that 6 hours, the 6 hour button, and the lights will just stay on entirely for 6 hours, full light. Once again, whether it's at night or during the day. And this was very important for me because if y'all watched my other video regarding this type of lights, solar powered, I didn't like the fact that they just turned off after 15 seconds, no matter what feature you pressed. So we got white lights, yellow lights. That's what we got with yellow. I like the white lights better. And then you can adjust the dimness. If you just want it completely off, you can do that, or on. All right, so I would just like to say I really like these light fixtures. Very easy to install. So far, a month later, they work just fine. And once again, I like the feature where you can just turn it on and leave them on, especially if you have a shop and you plan on working in the shop for a while. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on this to where it only detects motion, and then it just completely turns off.